What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Kev, here to show the Make Money team how to make money online fast. Well, this one is not going to be a fast way. This is going to be a way where you can get paid every week, but it's what we call an active way of making income. So basically, a job. A job is an active way of making money. It's not going to be a passive income way of making money. So if you're looking for passive ways, this is not going to be the video for you. So I wrote an article on my website, How to Make Money Online Fast.net, called 31 Online Transcribing Jobs for Beginners. Now, if you don't know what a transcribing job is, just think of secretaries, um, office admin, listening to audio to create work. So to create letters or documents from the audio. Now, when I was growing up, my mom was a secretary and she was a legal secretary. So she used to listen to tapes and create letters from these tapes from her lawyer. Now, in today's world, these audio clips come through the internet. Now, these companies will supply you an audio clip, and it could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it could be an hour long. It doesn't really matter. Your job is to listen to it and repeat it on a document as quickly as possible, but correctly as possible. So you're looking for accuracy and you're looking for speed. Now, if you type 70 words a minute or 60 words a minute, even if you type 90 words a minute, if you're accurate, you can make a lot of money. Now, I'm going to look at 3 companies from this article that I wrote. Now, if you want to check that out, it is on my site. The link will be below. The first site we're looking at is called Transcribing. Now, if you go into the job section, you will see how much they're going to pay you for your time. Now, if you get the very good jobs, could be between $15 and $22 per audio hour. Now, if you were to get that money, it would be, and you were able to do it for a daily 8 audio hours a day, like you were doing a desk job, you would be able to make $120 a day and $176 a day, which when you round it up to, if you're able to get this daily for 5 days a week, like a job, you will be able to make between $600 and nearly $900 a week. If you live in countries that have very good exchange rates against the dollar, this is a fantastic hustle to get into. This is a worldwide site, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are, you should be able to get into Transcribing. Choose your own hours, work location, make friends from all over the world, and best of all, money every week. So this company pays you into PayPal every week. So the money, you don't have to wait a whole month for it. This money is coming to you every week, which is fantastic. Now, you will have a short registration process. You will have to do some of their training and an exam course. So they want to make sure that you are competent enough to sign with them and get the work done. So if you get through, you will be able to get access to these jobs. And then it's all up to you. So let's move on to the next one. Our second site is called Revcom. Now, this is a very big site. This site allows you, again, to work from anywhere across the world, and I will show you those details. If you go to the freelancers section of this site, you will be able to see that you will get paid weekly right here via PayPal for all the work that you've completed. Now, you can do 2 things here, which is being a transcriptionist or a captioner. Now, the rates seem to be the same on this. So one, you'll watch the video and type what's being said. So just how you're listening to this video, you would have to listen to the video and type exactly what I'm saying. With a transcriptionist, you listen to audio and video. As you can see, the rates are the same, slightly more on the low end for a captioner, but the top end is the same. And this is the same for the audio minute. So with that said, if you do the calculations, you could get quite a bit per audio video minute if you are ridiculously quick. Let's keep it into the ballpark of what was being said at Transcribingme. We could call it between 15 and I'd say top end could be $35 an hour if you're fantastically good. I think that's possible with this site. But also, if you scroll down here, you will see that if you know a foreign language, they will pay you even more per audio or video minute. So that will be between $1.50 and $3 per minute. So if you have a second language and it's required, you could make quite a bit of money. In essence, you can make 3 times the money of what a normal transcriptionist gets. Now, if we scroll back up to the top and we click learn more, so if we look into the frequently asked questions, we can look a bit at the sign up process, and we can see here that it won't cost you any money to sign up to Rev. You can't use a phone or tablet to sign up and transcribe a Rev, so you will need to have a PC. I'm not too sure if you can use a Mac. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a PC with these guys as well. And also, it takes a few days to approve you. Payments are paid through PayPal for the work, so you will need to make sure that you have a PayPal account, and that will be paid in US dollars and converted into your currency if it's not US dollars. Now, taxes you will have to sort out for yourself, which is based on the country that you lived in. And for minimum work, you don't really have a fixed contract, so it's up to you to come in and sign on, and you don't have a minimum amount of time that you have to work. You don't have a contract, so you can come in and do as many jobs as you want at any time of the day. So as long as there's jobs to do, you can do them when you want. Now on to the next one. Now, the last site that we're going to look at is called Speak Right. As you can see, we are in the transcription jog section. You can see that they do legal general Spanish transcription, so that's what they're looking for. Now, you can join this anytime that you want. Now, as you can see, this is what you can expect to earn if you were just average or if you were putting a lot of work into it. Now, there will be outliers on both sides, so you could earn a lot less, you can earn a lot more, depending on what kind of time you're putting into it. If we scroll down, you will see some of the position requirements that they want. So 60 words per minute minimum, and they want a 90% average. You also have to be a legal resident of the US and Canada. So this isn't a worldwide one. This is just for the US and Canada. Now, they don't take anyone from California because of their AB5 law. Now, the language, you must be fluent in English, work experience, proficient in Word 7 or newer. Legal applicants, 1 year or more working in a law firm, including legal transcription and word processing experience. This has to be done within the last 5 years. For the general, all you got to do is have 1 more years transcription and word processing experience within an office environment. So if you've been a receptionist or if you've been a secretary or even some admin work, you would have come across this already. So this will not be that difficult to get around. These are some of the equipment that they need. So as you can see, it seems to be a very standard kind of Windows-based PC with Office 7 or newer, so they don't want any Macs. Microsoft Word 2007, Internet Explorer 8.0 or higher, Acrobat Reader, and to play the sounds, you need to have Windows Media Player. That has to be version 10, 12, 11, or 12. You also need a sound card so you can hear everything, and a foot pedal. So foot pedals, I do have a picture of it on my actual site, and this allows you to go rewind and fast forward without actually having to go through different screens and rewind and play the audio. So it's a very good tool to have. If you want to be at the very top, you need to have a foot pedal so that you don't have to tab between different pages. So these foot pedals are pretty inexpensive. They usually are between $50 and $70 to $80. So they're not really expensive. So that is SpeakRight. And with a lot of these companies on the list that you'll find on my site, you will find that they have a very short exam or a very short interview that you will have to do to show that you're competent transcribing other people's work. Now, once you can do that, it opens up such a world to you that you'll be able to pick and choose, go to different companies and have multiple accounts open with different companies. So even if the transcription work isn't great at one site, you might be able to get more at another. So you will always have work if you want to do it more full time. So that is transcribing. It's a great hustle if you want to put in a lot of your time. It's what we call an active hustle. So you have to always be there. It's not a passive one. You're not going to make money as you sleep. You're going to make money as you do. So this is one of the powerful things that you can do on the internet in terms of just sheer volume. Usually, the amount of work that you'll put in is pretty much level to what you'll get out, and probably actually a little bit more. So, this is your boy, Big Kev. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will be bringing you some more that good stuff. Peace.